What's up? So today I'm going to dive into a review of Fullstaq Marketer. Is this a scam or is this a legitimate educational program? Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to review Fullstaq Marketer. So what is Fullstaq Marketer? Fullstaq Marketer is an educational program for internet marketers, those who are starting out and want to learn how to actually become an internet marketer and become a jack of all trades in that industry, or for those that are actually already seasoned and just need help in certain areas. This course really has it all. But is it a scam or is it real? So I jumped in, I'd seen a bunch of ads for it, I thought why not, and I'm actually one who, as some entrepreneurs are like me, we like to constantly dive into new courses and dive into new knowledge to see if we can expand our intellect on certain things. But I came at it with an open mind because sometimes you just never know if this is just trying to take your money or if this is a legit program. So what I really liked from the top point view is this course is absolutely different than any other course I've taken in internet marketing. Most internet marketing courses just try to shove as much information down your throat. And as a new entrepreneur, some information is very complex. And not everybody is a tech guru. Not everybody has built a website. Not everybody has ever advertised. For somebody that is starting out, that can be a real deal breaker. And I think there's a statistic like only 3 or 6% of people actually even finish a course in its entirety. And Fullstaq Marketer truly changed it up. So they actually take complex information and they break it up into little bite-sized pieces. And they actually make sure that you get the small little pieces and they actually make you comprehend it. And how do they do that? So they use gamification. So they actually make it to where it's kind of almost like a game and you have to get through different levels, but then you have to actually prove through different forms in the applications to show that you comprehend it and to show that you fully understand it and are ready to implement it before they take you to the next chunk of information. I thought this was a blast and it actually made it fun to go through the process of learning how to become an internet marketer. I truly enjoyed it, and I think this is going to be an absolute game changer for those of you that have even tried courses before and have felt like that you're a failure or things couldn't happen. It's not your fault. It was just too much information coming at you at one time, and this Fullstaq Marketer program fully breaks it down easier for you. So another thing I really loved about this was not only did they add the gamification for little rewards and little tokens and stuff as you're going through, but they actually give you certifications. So throughout the courses, you learn how to run Facebook ads, you learn how to copyright, you learn how to find your target market, you learn how to promote an item if you don't want any inventory and if you just want to be an affiliate for high commission products, and how to turn that on autopilot. But they also teach you how to, if you have a product of your own, how to sell that and launch your business. They teach you how to run Instagram promotions. They show you how to do organic reach. They show you how to do anything that you can think of in internet marketing and as an entrepreneur that you would need, they have it. And they actually have a mindset side too, to where you actually can develop the mindset and where you need to be mentally to succeed in this business. So every time that you complete a certain subject, you can actually get a certificate that says, I, Bob Dylan, am certified, I don't know why I use that name, am certified as a Facebook marketer. I, Zach Vines, am certified as a sales funnel creator. So what that does for you is, it's not just, okay, cool, bragging rights. It's actually awesome because if you decide to run a digital marketing agency, or if you decide to, help local small businesses run ads, you can actually show them, hey, I'm certified. It's more than just saying, hey, I've been doing this for this long. Hey, usually they want proof. And especially if you're going to charge them a reasonable amount, which you should, you want to have that certification. But not only that, they allow you actually, after you start mastering things in the program, and there are different levels, you can tutor other people that are in the course if you're certified. So you can begin already reaping the benefits and getting that return on investment and truly testing how well you know the knowledge by teaching other people that are new to the game. And I thought this was really fun as a person that has already been through a course and has already been through, years of training as an entrepreneur. But even if you are just starting out, you can start to develop and start helping other people. And then if you are going through a course, let's say you're struggling with, let's say you're struggling with how to build a landing page and how to truly find your target market. Well, guess what? You can have someone who's already been through it get hands-on-hand help with you, and y'all can work at it together. I thought that piece was awesome because it allows so much community engagement. And it allows so many, it's not just, okay, you drop a course, oh, well, here's the course, that's it. No, there's like constant interaction between you and the course and you and other people in the community, which just, it makes you just a little more invested and that much more committed to getting to the goals and getting to the dream business that you desire. Whether that's just being an affiliate and promoting items that you don't want to own, or whether that's running your own business. When I went through the course, they know what they're talking about. They actually taught me new things that I had never learned before through courses I had taken in the past. And I truly recommend, if you are a new entrepreneur or if you are wanting to try out and sharpen your skills in a new area, I honestly recommend Fullstaq Marketer. It is not a scam. It is a legitimate program. And I think and know that you can find value out of this program if you truly dig deep and try it out. So I'll drop a link somewhere in the bio of how you can get started with Fullstaq Marketer if you just so happen to have not seen an ad or haven't already submitted any form of interest in it. That is my review of Fullstaq Marketer. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a like. If you've actually tried Fullstaq Marketer and if you loved it, if you hated it and you didn't find the value I found from it, go ahead and give me a comment below and tell me how you feel about it. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you would like to continue to learn anything involving internet marketing, from tips, tricks, more reviews of courses, or just simply new news that is coming out for you and changes in social media, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you gained value from this and have a blessed day.